LeakBot, people can monitor the entire water system in their home. It is basically an end-to-end water prevention system, assisting insurers with risk management and claims mitigation. The smart app alerts the customer to small issues and economically fixes the issues before they become claims. Next on stage, LeakBot.
Hi everyone, my name's Craig Foster. I'm the CEO of Homeserve-labs. I'm joined on stage by Lindsay Ratcliffe, who's our design guru, and she's going to be driving a live demo today of the LeakBot leak detection solution that we've designed for the insurance industry. Now, I don't really need to tell the people in this room that escape of water is a major problem in the insurance industry. It's typically 20 to 40% of the claims that are paid out on a typical policy book. If you just take the UK and the US alone, $16 billion is paid out every year rectifying the damage caused by water leaks. So this is well understood in the industry, and it seems like an obvious use case for the Internet of Things. That said, there's been a lot of people working on this for the last few years, and it doesn't really look like anyone's actually cracked the code. There's been lots of tests of different devices and solutions, but no one's really rolled this out on a major commercial scale. And part of the problem is that a lot of the hardware doesn't really offer a solution for insurers. They're either small moisture sensors that you put around a property, and they just don't really address the leaks that cause damage and actually cause claims for an insurer. Or they're really prohibitively expensive plumbed-in systems that require a professional install. But we're going to demo today the LeakBot solution, which is not just hardware, it's an end-to-end integrated solution that really actually solves this problem for the insurance industry. And it's one now that's got a proven business case and has got the first insurers rolling this out for real across their back book. So let's start with a demo of the hardware itself. So the thing that makes LeakBot totally different to anything else on the market is this is just a small, low-cost device that we can mail to a customer through the post. And then to install it, you just clip this to the mains where the water enters the property. So we get about a 90% self-install rate when we mail these out to customers. And this single unit can detect a leak anywhere on a mains water system. And it's really sensitive, so it detects leaks down to about 5 milliliters per minute. Now, the reason why that's important is the thing that most people don't realize is that almost 80% of the leaks in a domestic property are under 10 milliliters per minute. So the typical claim for an insurance company is something that's on the mains water, it's hidden in a cavity wall, it's hidden in a ceiling, it causes damage over several months before the homeowner notices, and then that manifests as a £3,000 to £4,000 claim. So this single unit can detect a leak anywhere on that mains water system. It's a technology that we invented and we've subsequently patented worldwide. But LeakBot is not just about the hardware, it's about the entire platform. So let's now have a look at the homeowner app, how the product looks from a homeowner's perspective. So part of the first job that we need to do is really convince the homeowner that this technology is working. So what we do is we play some of the water usage statistics back to the user through the application. And then hopefully you install the device and you get the peace of mind that the property is leak-free, which, by the way, we can tell you with a 98% accuracy. However, if you have got a leak in the property, the great thing about this solution is you can book an engineer through the app. Now, the important thing to tell you about this proven commercial model is the device is offered free to the policyholder, but in our model, the repairs are free to the policyholder as well, and you book the engineer straight through here. So with this model, when the device is free and the repairs are free, we can reduce the mains water claims by 62%. And that's been validated in a couple of different markets at scale with a couple of different insurers. But I'm sure you're wondering, that sounds great, but do the commercials stack up? So let's now have a look at how the product looks from the insurer's perspective. So the great thing about having a fully integrated system is we can take the data from the actual IoT sensors that have been deployed, but we can also take all the data from the user applications and all the consumer responses, and we can also take all the field service technician data when we've been on site, and we can aggregate all of that in a single platform. So this data analytics platform is a whole new world of data that you can use to actually effectively price escape of water risk at renewal. So for example, we can tell you the 90-odd% of the customer base that are leak-free. And like I say, that's to a 98% accuracy. And for the customers that have got a live leak when they hit renewal, we can give you lots of diagnostic information about them, so you can effectively price that risk for the first time. But the business case is not even predicated on that. The business case pays back purely on the claims that we mitigate through going out and actually fixing these leaks. So the other thing that our partners love is through this tool, you can see a whole host of data about when we've actually been in-home and fixed a lot of these leaks. So there's lots of aggregated information here about the flow rate of the leak, the types of problems that we're fitting, but then on an individual case-by-case basis, you can go into the tool here and you can see information about every single in-home visit. So this is a rep report for one individual repair that we've done. So you can see here, there's device from the data showing when we've detected the initial leak. You can see pictures that the engineer's taken on site that show where the device is fitted. But then you can also actually see the repair that we've instigated on site. So I think in this instance, this was a mains water supply leak coming into the back of the toilet. So the customer did not think they had a leak, which is very, very common, because these leaks tend to be hidden from view. The engineer found this relatively easily, but this was an upstairs loo. When you look downstairs, this is the room below. So again, you can't see any problem here to the naked eye. But when our engineer turned on the thermal imaging cameras, you can see how the moisture was building in the ceiling here. Now, this insurer's own loss adjusters told us this would have been a £30,000 claim if left just for a few more months. But we catch these claims before they've manifested as insurance claims. This particular deployment with this partner, with all the devices and the repairs being free, paid back within 5 months. So this model of free LeakBot to the policyholder and free repairs delivers a year one return. It pays back immediately in the first year for the insurer, the 15% return on the costs, and a 40% return over 5 years. And this is not a niche proposition. So that proven model works in a footprint of 55% of the US. So that's 34 million homes, equivalent to $4.6 billion of claims that we can address with this solution. So like I say, insurers are moving beyond trials now and starting to roll this technology out for real. Top Denmark have announced a rollout of the product to their customers, and within 2 months we'll be announcing our first UK partner that are rolling this solution out across their entire back book. So it's a really exciting time for us. The opportunity, particularly in the US, is huge. We've just taken on an ex-AXA CEO, Mark Wood, as our new non-executive chairman to help us grow through this next exciting phase. So I do feel like home insurance is really at an inflection point. It's been a long time coming, but I think IoT is going to make a significant and profound change on this industry now and revolutionize the cost base. If you would like to partner with us, like everyone else has said at the end of the presentation, we've got a stand and we'd love to talk to you. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference. We were LeakBot.